All right, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone again. And let's begin the UK live. It is 2:30 a.m. Eastern, 4th of January. And just as a small reminder, I have created three different groups for the Indian segments: currency, equity, and commodity. And will be updating daily for a few instruments which will be pre-selected. If you want any other instrument as a regular basis, kindly write an email to me. I will be updating. I have updated on the new channels on the existing one at Japee, and you might keep note of that. The regular three sessions, that is UK, US, New York, and the educational sessions will continue as normal, and we will also begin the commentary or update uh, 3 to 4 times a day on the regular channel, that is t.me/Japee. Alright, let's touch upon on the four instruments that we have trading interest. Now we have about 5 to 6 active trades, and let's touch base with at least 4 of them in this session, starting with the euro. Believe it or not, markets have been slow. It was not expected to be so dull, but this is what it is. I was expecting euro to break below that support of 1.1980 a few hours back. That was not to happen. In any case, it has yet potential. This is what is expected out of the currency in the next few hours or so. Alright, interim resistance stands at 1.2080. I have suggested to place stop loss at 1.2100. Now this is a short come medium term setup. I repeat, what we are trying to attempt here is a short come medium term setup. I'll explain what is that we are trying to do. We'll have wave A by around 1.1980. Then there would be an expected rally towards the 2030 mark again, with a further drop towards the 1900 mark. All right, so keeping this small interim trend, I would say, as a short term or medium term setup, we have entered euro USD on the short side with a stop loss at 2100 and targeting around 1900. Please remember, we are still aware of the fact that the ending diagonal structure still remains intact. It's either going to be an ending diagonal, there is an engulfing bearish also in picture, so the shorts taken is justifiable. Either it's going to be an ending diagonal. If it is, prices would find support somewhere between the 1850 and 1900 handle before rising to yet another high, which could be potentially a major top in the euro USD, and that's what the trade plan is. We will go long around the 1900 handle, but that is for the next small cycle. We have to play euro USD both sides. It is reacting both sides. It is mixed right now. All right, okay, if there is any change, we'll send out the updates. I am seeing that there are quite a few subscribers who are joining YouTube channel. They still don't know about the live trading update channel. It is t.me/Japee, https t.me/Japee, where you can just enroll. It's open for all, and you can have all the videos as well as the live trade updates there. So that I had a question about what is the GBP USD update session. So If you are listening to me right now, please consider joining the Telegram channel. All updates have been sent there. Let's discuss pound as it is. That's the wave one, followed by an ABC corrective rally and engulfing bearish in the mark as well. That's what we were discussing yesterday. Next should be around 27 and 26, even lower levels 1.2. This is a long term trade setup that we have discussed and we have entered. We already short from 34.50.60. Yesterday we again suggested, if you are wanting to take fresh, you should be going short around the 3600 mark. The stop loss remains above 36.50. I repeat myself very clearly, this is a long term trade setup that we are looking to achieve. If you are trading short term, then you can trade sell on rallies. Each time an update will be sent out through this daily live session or on the Telegram channel. But selling on rallies will be on your forte if you are trading short term. Okay, short term target could be around 3300 right now, as of now, but the long term target is well below 27 and 2500 levels. All right. If you want to look at the 4-hour chart setup or the hourly chart setup, the fifth wave is expected of a lower degree 1, 2, 3, that is wave 4 and wave 5. Anytime you should be seeing a push below the 34.70 mark before it pulls back again towards the 35.40, and then you can go short again. Okay, so short-term traders, please play your game according to the short-term supports and resistance. I'll be updating both of them, but long-term traders remain short with the stop above 35.50. This stop loss is valid for both trading strategies for now. All right. Okay, let's touch upon gold. We are still not absolutely certain about 5 waves down in the making. All right, it is still way beyond the capacity. I mean, should break below 1300 levels. It should certainly break below 1296, somewhere around 1280 mark to complete the 5 wave setup. At the maximum, for now, what we are expecting is a simple extension. If I this is what we did yesterday, a maximum push towards 1296, we will take profits there. All right, and right now our stop loss is around 1325. We will remain stop around that price and try and bring it to a break-even level once it hits below 1296. That would be a confirmation of a 5-wave drop. Looking at the 4-hour chart, yes, that's just a small godly. So I think we'll have to be prepared for yet another high in the making and then a reversal. That is a probable case. All right, I would like to refresh the daily chart or rediscuss the daily chart. Why we went short? It is because of that. An expanded flat was confirmed. That's the first leg A, and then a counter trend ABC expanded flat, hitting the 61.8% mark. Not certain that it should reverse from that, but quite a few trading signals were obtained on the 4-hour chart and the hourly charts respectively. So we are short because of that, and we are expecting prices to drop lower towards the 1200 circuit. Right. it still remains to be seen whether prices are going to break below 1296. This is what is high probable right now. Resistance stays around 1317 immediately, and above 1321 after that. All right, so if you have traded shorts with us yesterday, you might want to remain short. Short-term traders might want to take profits around the 1300 mark. All right, that was gold. Dollar index, on the other hand, we have initiated longs now around the same price. We are expecting prices to rally one last time above the 92.30-35 mark. All right, and then drop once again. So the idea is why we have gone long with a stop loss just below of 97.75, or a short-term medium-term setup says 91.10, is because of this. We will want to play this short-term trend, which is expected to rally all towards the 93 mark. Right. Be long. We have initiated longs with certain confidence now, and after about almost a break of 92.30 overnight yesterday, 92.26 for now. All right. So Euro USD on the short side, pound on the short side, gold on the short side, dollar index on the long side, crude oil. That's the one which is a slight problematic right now, but our stop loss is above 62.50. We still remain short, and just 1 minute, if we can go on a weekly chart once again, it is right at the vicinity of the previous wave 4. That is wave 1, wave 2, and then that is wave 4 within the third wave. The entire drop is wave 3. Then you've got wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So previous wave 4 and the current price action in the same vicinity right now. Watch out for a bearish reversal that is expected. That should be coming through any moment now. If it doesn't, we'll be attempting yet another short after a while. Remain short about 62.50 for now. Bitcoin chart will take some time to come up, but just to give you a trade update, we are short again from 15,100 levels. The stop around 20,000 and target below 10,000 this time. All right, so I think let's bring this session to a pause here. 12 minutes into the session already now, and any change in the active trade setups or new trade. USD Canada is one more trade that we have issued yesterday on the long side, and that is a positional trade. We are targeting 3,500, 1.3, sorry. So wave 1, wave 2, and at least 1.3 or even more than that. The stop loss remains below 28, that is 2400 levels. All right, we just went long around the same price, 25.30. All right, and that is because of the 50% mark being met with a potential engulfing bullish already. All right, so quite a few number of active trades. I forgot to update the USD Canada trade in the channel, the Telegram channel, so I'll be doing that right after this session is over. All right, so let's bring this session to a pause again, and thank you for your presence online, or if you're watching this offline mode, don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't yet done, and thank you for spreading word as always. Till the next session, which is the New York Live at 8 AM Eastern. Good luck to your trades, and take care, and God bless, brothers and sisters. Goodbye.